guys, guess whose birthday is today? Cheers! आज मेरी बहन का बर्थडे है। आज बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है, बहुत सारा फन हम करने वाले हैं और साथ ही साथ हम लोग सेलिब्रेशन करने वाले हैं। तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना, कहीं मत जाना। उससे पहले लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दें चैनल को ताकि वीडियो को कंटिन्यू आप देख सकें।
My first present. Let me read the card first.
Read it loud.
Because it had dogs on it.
Show me.
Once in a while you find a friend.
Oh, cute.
Maybe Sonu, who will be a friend forever. Happy birthday. Oh, thank you. Open this.
I hope you like it. It's not a cup. And she doesn't know what it is this time.
Really?
I was asking her, I'm like, should I get a yellow cup? She's like, yeah, it's nice, it's decent.
What is it? I have no clue. No clue at all.
Do it
What
fast.
is the opinion on the box?
This is something related to cleaning. Wipe it off.
Show me.
Can you look at it from the box?
Oh.
Look at the box.
Oh my
Show me.
God.
Okay.
No more toilet paper. Look, there's a lot of benefits to it. This will wipe your butt and the toilet.
Oh my God.
And hold on. It has 2 minutes that it'll go on for.
No, but the thing is,
It's
do I need plumber to fix this, or this
No,
can
you
be
could
self?
install it yourself, and then when you're done, you can just take it out and put it in the dishwasher.
No, I don't want this to wipe my butt.
Listen, and look, it has a 30-second bidet in there. You're saving $284 on toilet paper a year.
Oh.
Wow, I like everything, but I'll not just let this one touch my butt.
You don't have to. It works so well.
Really?
Yeah.
No,
Show me.
you know, I wanted this now. Oh my God.
It's a prank.
I have literally made my mind that, okay, I'm gonna use this now.
Do I need a plumber?
मैंने सोचा कि किसको बुलाएंगे fix. Oh my God. Oh,
So what is this?
so much.
This
Google.
is Google Net.
We were planning to buy that.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, but I like this more than this.
Wow. Show me your
Well,
Google device. Show me.
you're like, I was hoping for this.
So now we can ask, hey Google, tell me who is Say.rish.
Can I say, hey Google, please cook biryani today?
Yeah, like, hey Google, what's the recipe for biryani? I'll pull it up. Or
But it will not cook it itself.
no, I haven't invented that yet.
You know, मैंने literally अपना mind बना दिया था इसके लिए.
So ये था present आज का जो कि हमने खोला है सिर्फ की तरफ से.
We are matching PJs.
Yeah, today is PJ's day and we are wearing same dresses. Where is your ring?
This is the biggest prank of my birthday.
Oh, cute.
Prank. Oh, prank you. Don't get. Oh my God.
Don't get too excited. Your real gift is inside. Oh, that's nice.
And it has served the purpose, you know.
Yeah, it's really
So
nice.
it's a prank box. Yeah. मुझे लगा तूने अपना. And after a long time, we are twinning.
Yes, after a long time.
Smells so pretty.
Yeah.
There
एक एक करके निकालेंगे.
So हम लोगों ने स्नैक स्टार्ट कर दिया. इट्स अ चना चूर. सब बंगाली स्नैक और बहुत मज़े का है, बहुत स्पाइसी है, बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे हैं हम लोग. अभी हमारा खाना पीना स्टार्ट हो गया है. अब देखो आगे हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं.
So apparently it's movie night. हमने तीन choices दी हैं. Now we will ask randomizer what are the choices.
Okay.
No, now we will ask randomizer कि वो क्या select करता है.
Birthday girl gets to pull the number from the randomizer.
तूने दूसरे वाले पे किया था.
And we're going to pick 1 to 9, and
Yeah.
each number has a movie associated with it.
Okay, let's see what randomizer will choose.
Okay. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, or 7, 8, 9. 6? Oh, the first!
Let's see what is number 6.
और अब बता दें कि कैसे हमने 3 मूवी सेलेक्ट की थी. पहले 3 नंबर इसके थे, देन 6 till 6 मेरे थे. और
6 is गरम मसाला।
गरम मसाला।
We're watching that.
ओके, जानना है कि और ऑप्शंस हमारे पास क्या थे? तो इट वाज कॉकटेल, वी रेडी वेडिंग, समवन ग्रेट, कल होना हो, प्यार का पंचनामा, गरम मसाला, लेडी वर्सेस
रिकी
बेल, ब्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस, शुद्ध देसी रोमांस।
सो हम देखने वाले हैं गरम मसाला।
Wow.
हमें चाहिए उसे हम नहीं चाहिए, और जिसे हम चाहिए वो किसको चाहिए? चंपक लड़कियों की तो बिक्री मत कर, एक से एक आइटम को मिलवा दूंगा, लेकिन मैंने जन कल्याण सेवा मंडल ही खोल के रखा है। मैगी तो उसके सामने नूडल लगी, कसम से। किसको पूछे तुमने मटन कटर बनाया? मैं पूछता हूँ किसको पूछे तुमने मटन कटर बनाया? तुम्हें नहीं मालूम कौन खा रहा था?
तुम मटन खाते हो?
मैं क्यों मटन खाया? मैंने कब कहा तुमने खाया?
किसने खाया?
उसने। किसने? याद दिलाऊं किसने?
हाँ बोलो।
और सुना
Theo, go to your room, baby.
And I'm scared. So are you enjoying?
Yeah.
कितना?
You boomerang on that. Point it that way. Don't shake. It's not gonna go fuzz. There's gonna be a lot of cat. A special drink.
Cheers. Cheers to
birthday girl,
birthday girls.
birthday girls, and our celebration. Well, guys, it has been a blast. Now it's time to blow our candles and make a wish. Are you ready, girl?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. 1,
2, 3.
Happy birthday! Gonna stop her face. No, her makeup looks too good.
Hey guys.
Guess whose birthday is today?
Ta-da! Happy birthday.
Little fan blowing.
यार तू बहुत लंबी नहीं है।
अच्छा मैं नीचे हो गया। हाँ वो
सारी काट गई।
अच्छा मैं नीचे हो गया हूँ। जो मैं यहीं रहती हूँ, मैं यूं खड़ी हो जाऊँ।